This gun from the Death Star is going to protect you and your customers. Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Yes, we have this new machine from Hobby Tools, and what it does is it's essentially a fogger, and once you put the chemical in, it will protect you and your customer. So we're going to show you how we actually disinfect a car, especially with obviously everything that's happening now at the minute with the virus and all that. But even if this virus wasn't around, this machine can still be used. And depending on which chemical you use, you can essentially use it anywhere. So in your kitchen, in your house, in your waiting room, in your minibus, in your car, it can be used absolutely anywhere, providing you put the right chemicals in for the thing you are doing or the place you are cleaning. Now, look at this. This is it. And a little funnel. So this is the bad boy. Right, just bear in mind also that it has this funny European plug-on which makes no sense to us over here. We have the proper plug, the way it should be around the world, and we also have proper taps. See, look, 2 taps, proper taps. Right, this is the chemical I am using, and like I said, this is where you might differ, and you need to know the chemicals for your country if there is an issue with different chemicals or what you're actually doing. So don't necessarily go off this. You're not going to be able to get this unless you are a registered business with AutoSmart anyway, but this is the chemical I am using for the machine and for the cars. And like I said, if you're doing different things, you maybe want to get different chemicals. We'll give you an idea of what I'm using. Right, just another thing you'll have to do. I just put a proper plug on it because the adapters we got only went up to a 1 amp fuse. And obviously this takes a lot more than a 1 amp fuse because it kept blowing it, and we didn't have any small fuses. So I just whacked a proper plug on it because it's just easier for me. And there we go. Also on the machine there is an adjuster, so you can actually adjust the amount of product that actually comes out of it by that white nozzle there, which changes the flow rate out of the nozzle depending on what you're doing. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in. We've got it ready to go. Now the importance of this is because obviously, as we know, with all the stuff that's going on around the world, people are getting worried, and especially me now doing mobile stuff, it's vitally important because I'm coming to people's houses like I am here today. And I want to just show people that I'm doing everything I can to protect myself and also them. I don't charge for this when I'm doing someone's car service and anything. I kind of do this for free. Now, if they want me to come in and disinfect something, that's different. But if I'm working on the car, it's free. So what we're going to do is we're going to disinfect it before we work on it. And then I'm going to show you how to do that. Then I'm going to do the job on it. Then we'll disinfect it, and we're going to put some special covers everywhere and leave it like that for the customer so they know it's all been done. And I'm going to show you that right now. Right, a couple of things you need to be careful of. Obviously, I'm wearing my mask. If there's anything in the car, just be careful of it, like sat navs or anything like that. You might want to either tell them to remove them or anything. At the end of the day, you don't want to soak this because you're just putting moisture and water and chemicals into the car. We just want to do it where the customer has touched, so handles, steering wheels, seats, gear levers, stuff like that. That's all we're really doing. We can do this in a couple of minutes. It's not we don't have to spend long at it. What we're going to do now is we're going to leave that for 5 minutes before we work on it. Then after we've worked on it, I'm going to disinfect all the parts that I've touched, you know, whether it's inside, back, wherever it is. We're going to disinfect it again, and we're going to leave special stuff on for the customer. So it really is very, very quick and easy. Right, now I'm actually in the car. I'm actually got gloves on. So we're going to lay everything down. It's all been disinfected. We've left it the 5 minutes, but this is how I'm going to leave a customer's car. And the piece de resistance is, I'm going to leave this on here now. I've covered that because that's my number and all my business names and stuff. But this goes over. Boom. There we go. So look, that's how to keep you and your customers safe. And the most important thing is it looks really professional. The customer knows it's been cleaned. So what I'll do is I'll leave all the links down below to the machine, to the website, to everything where I got it. As regards the chemicals, well, that's up to yourself depending on the countries you're in and what you're actually doing, so the chemicals might change for you. But that's it. So as always, I hope it helps. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget, links up here, links down below, but most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted. Actually, get your hands clean, not dirty, because we're disinfecting. Yeah? Sorted.